In this video, we're going over how to reset a Samsung QLED TV back to factory settings. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so I can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to reset your Samsung QLED TV back to factory settings. You're going to grab your remote, tap on the little house in the middle of the remote, and then you're going to tap the left button right here and keep going until you get to the settings wheel, and then tap the center of the wheel here. You're going to go down all the way to general, tap the right arrow on the circle here. You're going to go all the way down to reset, tap the center, and then you will need to enter whatever the pin is that you've set up for your TV. When you first set it up, it asks you to set up a pin. If you didn't set up a pin, it tells you the default pin is 0000. So you just put in 0000. Go to your right, or excuse me, go to your left, and then tap the circle, and that will initiate your TV to reset all the settings and take it back to factory settings. The process should take about 5 minutes, so don't touch the remote, just let the TV run through its reset and you'll know it's finished because it'll take you to the welcome screen and ask you to download the Samsung SmartThings app. Hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.